Happy Sunday, everybody. It's W, and I'm here with my wife, Dawn, and today we're going to make
chocolate chip cookie bars.
Okay.
So we need 2 1/4 cups of flour. That's 2 cups.
And as always, we will have the recipe documented down below in the description.
So 2 1/4 cups of flour. Okay. Then we need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. One teaspoon of salt. Okay, and then you place the dry ingredients in one small bowl, and then we're going to need 2 sticks of butter, and we're going to need a bigger bowl because we're going to have to mix these ingredients together.
And we took those out of the refrigerator a while to make them nice and soft, right?
Yes, you want soft butter. So we need 3/4 cups of sugar. So then 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. And then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you need 2 large eggs, but I have to mix one at a time. Okay, that's pretty good. So I'm going to add my second egg. Okay, now we mix the dry ingredients, and then we have to mix this in a little bit at a time.
We're going to go ahead and let her mix all the rest of this, and then we'll be right back.
So this is how the dough will turn out once it's all mixed. And then it calls for 2 cups of chocolate chip morsels. I am going to add 1 cup of chocolate chip and 1 cup of peanut butter. And then it also calls for 1 cup of chopped nuts, but I'm not going to add the nuts. Well, that's a little more than a cup, so
It's okay. The more chocolate, the better.
We'll just add a little less of the peanut butter chips. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, so I added the chocolate chips and then I added the peanut butter chips. And they're kind of hard to mix in with a spoon, like to fold them in. So I'm just using my hands. And now, whatever's left at the bottom of the bowl, I'll just throw on top of the dough. Now we'll come over to the baking pan. I just always use these aluminum pans, just spray it. Now we'll put the cookie dough in. Sorry for using my hands, they're all clean. I try not to do that, but these I guess you have to. Okay, that seems even enough. So you set the oven for 375 and cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Depending on your oven. I know mine's always the longest time, so I'll put these in for 25 minutes and then we'll be back. See how they turn out. Okay, they're finished.
Oh, they look good.
We'll have to see how they taste.
How long do we have to let them sit?
A few minutes. About 5 minutes. I'm just going to cut them in bars. Oh well, big pieces.
Looks good.
Good enough.
I hope you guys enjoy them. Thanks for watching.